Good morning, everyone. So, Nicoletta, can you hear me right? And you can see the screen clear?
Yes,
Okay.
I can see the screen and I can hear you.
Okay, great. So let me start as well the recording. Okay, recording has started as well. So, good morning, everyone. As usual, this is another webinar done by Seidor One Middle East. As usual as well, we will be muting everyone. Later on, we will be opening the mic for everyone if they have any question. And if you have any question as well, you can use either the Q&A or the chat box, okay, just to ask a question, okay. But at the end, we will open so you can freely ask any questions that you want. In today's sessions, we will talk about mainly two things, which is the email and WhatsApp approval. Okay, we will talk about we'll show you a small demo, how it works, full demo, how it works actually. It doesn't take too much time. We will talk about as well what will be the benefit for you and what is as well what will be in the pipeline for this product as well. So thanks for joining. This is tech. So let me start with explaining, okay, what I have done for the email approval and how it's working. So we are using the standard SAP Business One approval process right now. Okay, so in the approval process, everybody is using these templates. Moreover, so I have created one new approval called sales quotation approval. So whenever a user this is the user that I'm logged in with right now. Whenever a user created a sales quotation, okay, it has to be approved by another user, which is for me, Alex Torres. Okay, and I'm putting here this on all the terms that we have. So there are some configuration for the email approval and installation. I will not go into details right now. I just want to talk about the workflows. So if I go now to my sales quotation screen, okay, sales quotation, I'll create a new sales quotation. So let me choose a customer. So I will choose Maxitech, our famous customer. So here I will choose the item, very simple case. So I choose this item, I will put the quantity, then the price will come automatically and everything. So this is the standard SAP Business One. Once I finish, I click on add, and this will go through the approval, which is the sales quote approval. So I will tell please approve as soon as possible. This is the remarks. So now it will remain as draft here in the system. So the first thing that will happen right now is that the system will run the schedule every 1 minute, okay, to push this approval either by email or WhatsApp. And it takes around 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes to send the approval, okay? For the email, you don't need any license or any external license. I'm talking. So it's just a configuration for your SMTP and your email server. But for the WhatsApp, you need your Meta account. So you need to have a business email, business profile on your Facebook page or on your social media Meta account page. Okay, so you can link this to your WhatsApp and start sending a WhatsApp to the users. So while waiting, Okay, you know that the system will automatically send a message that you have a request for document to be approved. Okay, this is the first one, but this is on SAP. As well, I will receive now a WhatsApp. Let me check because I'm putting do not disturb. So now I have received a message on my WhatsApp, if you see here, okay, at 11:08, okay, with the attachment of the sales quotation to the registered number for Alex. So in the user profile, when you create the user in business one, sorry, when you create the user in business one, and if I go to Alex, this is the user that I have. Here you have to mention the email and you have to mention the mobile phone, and that is the configuration. So the first thing I will receive a message on my WhatsApp that a sales quotation has to be created by Jason is ready to be approved. So I click on open. I can see the sales quotation as well. Okay, it is the template that I can put. Okay, for your approval, you can have a specific template only for the manager so he can understand what he has to approve. Okay, so this is the sales quotation to be approved. If I finish, I click on approve, but as well, at the same time, I will receive as well an email, show you the email as well. Okay, so this email has been sent from this account, which is my account as well, that I have configured, with an attachment of the sales quotation that I, as well, the same logic as the WhatsApp. And here it will show you, dear Alex, Doras, blah, blah, blah. This is more information as well about the request that has been sent to my manager, Alex, and all I have to do is either reject or approve. So if I click approve, a page will open, and here to add your remarks. It's the same logic as SAP Business One. So I will put approved, approved by Tony on 11:10, submit, and operation success. Now, if I go to SAP Business One, I will receive a message that this document has been approved automatically, okay, from the web. Okay, and if I click on right click, go to my approval status report, I can see that this is approved through email, and if it was approved through WhatsApp, it will give you a message as well here, and approved by Tony on 11:10. Okay, so this is the logic of the approval on WhatsApp and email approval. This can be done on any logic in SAP Business One because we are following SAP logic, okay, for this. What is the benefit for this? We have many benefits for this. The first one, if I go to my users, okay, first benefit, okay, we have all of us know the situation for the approval inside Business One. You have to log into Business One to make the approval. And the managers, sometimes they don't have, or the CEOs or GMs, they don't have the time to go into Business One sometimes. So they have somebody who can do the approval on their behalf, or you have to wait for them to come to the office, open SAP Business One and do the approval. So here, they don't need to do that. They just receive an email, click approve, so simple, okay, process to be done. So this is the first benefit for the email approval. So the second one, okay, here, if you go to my license and go to my license administration, so I have here all the users, and I'm logged in now with Jason Butler, which is the manager, and I have a professional user, okay, because I'm using SAP Business One using this user. But if I go to Alex, which is the user who has done the approval, I don't have any license. So you don't require any license right now, okay, for the users. So no license per user, no license for anything right now. Okay, for now, I don't know later on if SAP will change their schema to log into sub-business one, but for now, you don't require any license. So if you have any license that you are using currently for the manager to do approval, you can spare this license for another user and make the approval. If the manager wants to log in, still log into Business One, you have to give him approval. But if you have any manager who doesn't need a sub-business one login and just doing approval, this is a more efficient, cost-efficient way to do it as well. Okay, because the price for this add-on is much cheaper to purchase a user and pay the AMC for it. So this is one. I see I have so many questions as well. The add-on and this will work on both HANA and SQL on-premise and on cloud, both together. So we don't have any problem in any infrastructures that you have. The email approval, it is a third-party application. No, it is an application that is done by us. Okay, and it is done through APIs and through web servers. Okay, with some extra effort from our side to make it work without having the license. And if there's any attachment for the sales quotation, right now, no. You can only view the quotation preview. That's it, the quotation itself. But if you have any attachment that you are attaching in the sales quotation screen, okay, we might take it later on into consideration, but for now, no, we don't have it right now. As well, I have some questions from Santil. Messaging process is online or offline. I didn't get you. Approval. It works for multiple approval stages. It works the same way. Okay, so yes, it depends, and it works for approval stages. It works even on updates as well. So if you updated a document, so it will do it as well. This is not a sub feature. This is done by Seidor. It's an add-on. It's not an add-on. It's a product done by Seidor, and it will be available with Cloud Tactics. Yes, we don't have a problem installing Cloud Tactics, but it has a separate license for it. Okay, so this is like another one. We can activate either email or WhatsApp or both together. Okay, and each one has a schema. If you take them both together, it will be less. And for the pricing, please communicate everything with your technical account manager who are here in the meeting today. Later on, you can send them an email, so everything will be okay. Okay, so this is Musa. I will answer this question later. So what will be as well the next step for this product? So we have as well a roadmap for this product that I can talk about right now. The first one will be to have a web interface. So to check all the approval pending, the pending approval that was not done, and you can approve directly from this portal on everything. So if anybody misses his email or he didn't receive anything, okay, so we will do a portal so they can check it. This is one. The second option that we are working on it, and we will do another webinar for it as well, is the alert portal. Okay, the same way that we are using the approval templates. Okay, but here we will build something outside Business One for the alert. So this alert management right now, if you go to the alert management inside Business One, let's see everything. What we are doing, we are building an alert management portal, which you can do whatever queries that you want in Business One or on this portal, let's say, okay, related to the database of some Business One, reading from multiple or one database. And you can assign what do you want to do with this alert. Do you want to send it internally? Do you want to send it by mail? Or you want to send it by WhatsApp as well? So let's give you right now I cannot show you anything because we just started launching this product as well, and we are working on it extensively to deliver it this year as well for our customer. So just one example, if you created, for example, a sales order in the system and you need to send a categorized message on WhatsApp that the sales order is approved, or you want to send, for example, some alerts to your customer for their balances every 1 month, every 1 week. Okay, this is the kind of alerts that you can create in this portal and send it to your customers. Okay, so this is in the roadmap. I can see as well there is more question about let me see where I have stopped. Yes, this can work on any template, PO, on sales quotation, on RFP. Whenever you create the template here in SAP Business One, it will work on anything. Okay. Email approval works on any platform because we are opening the page. Okay, it can work from your mobile, and if you have the email and you click the link approve, it will open a page on your mobile and you click approve. Okay. Yes, for existing client, you need to buy. Of course, this is not a free product because we have spent some time to do it. Send the statement of account right now. Arshad, the statement of account right now, no. Later on, yes. Okay, but it will be sent through text, not through, but we will talk about it later on. It will work on anything, Santil, on UDOs, whatever, when you create any template here. Okay, we are reading from this template and everything will be sent automatically. It works on any UDO or anything. Okay, and if you don't have a template, you don't need to do it. Okay, so right now we are doing it on the standard template, but on UDO as well you can do it. No, it cannot be. Okay, let me explain something. It cannot be done outside the template of SAP. For example, if the business partners in Business One and items, they don't have a template for approval, okay, then we cannot do it. Right now, we cannot do it, but I'm getting some ideas from you guys. Maybe we can do it later on. Anyway, okay, we can integrate. At the end, this is our product, and we will keep on enhancing this product. Okay, for it. If you don't want to ask questions in the chat, please raise your hand because this is what I wanted to show you today quickly. And you can raise your hand. I will give you the mic as well if you want to ask any question. Can it be used for sending sales quotation for customer approval? We not no, because your customer doesn't have approval right now on SAP Business One. They don't have users in SAP Business One, so we cannot do that. This is only to approve it and for the user inside SAP Business One. Okay. For any documents that you want to send through WhatsApp or anything, This has to be waited for the second part, which is templates or the alert approval or alert message, alert portal, Seidor alert portal. Okay. Questions? More questions? Yeah, on WhatsApp, it's very easy. You receive a message. Okay, Vivek. So this is the message. This is the sales quotation that I have received. You click on open, you can see the document. Okay, and you can do it from your mobile as well. Okay, and here is a you approve or you reject. Yeah, you have to create a user with no license because you have to put this user in the template. No, the price, it will be a standard price depending on what do you have. Is it hosted on a private cloud, dedicated to cloud? And this is subscription based. So it is a yearly subscription, monthly subscription, whatever you want, and each one will have a price. We prefer to go for yearly subscription. It's priced not per user, per company. So you can use any number of users that you want. After the approval, do we receive any acknowledgement? Right now, no, you don't receive any acknowledgement because you have just approved and it will go to the next step because you don't know if you have multiple level of approval. Okay. You don't know when it will end up. Yeah, it works on not only on cloud, as I told you from the beginning, it will work on any infrastructure, on-premise or cloud. So no worries. Licenses schema is subscription. The initiator, no, you don't need because the initiator will have a user on sub business one because he's creating the document, he's creating everything. So he doesn't need a WhatsApp. Aziz, we can do that later on. We can send this information. This is the WhatsApp and email. It is already available. For the other, it's not yet available. It is under, as I told you, it is in the roadmap, and we will do it. We will send you the roadmap for that. But for now, what you have seen, this is already implemented and working fine. Any other question? At the end of this meeting as well, guys, thanks first for joining. But what we will do as well, we will send the recording on to you, okay? And we will as well put the recording in our YouTube channel, Seidor One Middle East. If you want later on to see everything, you can refer to this video as well. Yes, Haitham, don't worry. We can do that.